I'm not coming, darling.
Gary! How could you miss the birth of your daughter?
Well, it's quite easy. When today's the day, I get to see the Velvet Vulcan Harpy.
You and your fucking birds.
I'll see you later. With another slime's offer.
Hey, what you doing there, bud?
I'm just birding.
You're birding?
Would you like to join?
Yeah, of course. So what bird are you looking for anyway?
Oh, it's the Velvet Vulcan Harpy.
Wow. That sounds beautiful.
Oh, she is, man. She has this not scarlet, this like velvet belly, these scarlet wings, these black talons, these yellow beak. Oh, she's so beautiful.
Oh, shit. Oh, can you grab that for me?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Hey man, you should probably go to the hospital for that. Seems like it hurts.
What's wrong with you? Oh, look at my water! My water! Why are you doing this?
Your wife hired me. I think she wanted a divorce or something.
Divorce? She told you that?
Yeah, she said she wanted all of your birding stuff or whatever.
Fuck that! She'll have to kill me for that!
Damn. Really?
I didn't spend years of my life avoiding her for my birds, for her to just take it all away from me, man.
Oh look, it's that bird you said you were looking for.
I can't see it. I'm never gonna see my daughter.
Well, you'll probably get visitation rights or something like that.
No, I want to see her. I don't want her to know that her dad was bad at birding.
Well, yeah, I'd probably be disappointed too if you were my fucking dad.
I'm gonna go home now. I'll tell my wife to take a good job.